What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Samantha Caudle, and I'm here to teach you a completely free dance tutorial for you to learn and enjoy. Today, I have my friend Tasha with me. She's going to be assisting me through the movement, making sure that you're all good and you're learning it, and also so I don't rip my own pants, because that would not be cute. As always, I want you to remember a couple things before you even start. One, just say thank you to your body. Give it a nice little hug. I know it sounds cheesy, I don't care. Send some gratitude to your body before we throw it around and break our backs. We need to give it some love, some self-care. Also, number two, just make sure you're being kind to yourself in the process. This might take you a couple of rounds. And also, I teach very fast on these tutorials. So if you're feeling like, whoa girl, remember you can always just rewind, meet us at the beginning. We'll slow things down, but we're gonna keep it moving today. So it's there for you to rewind. It's completely free. You're welcome. I wanna make sure that the girls at home that don't live in LA and can't take class with me are getting their training in and feeling really cute at home. So number three, I would love to see what you learned today in class. So make sure that you record yourself at some point when you're feeling really confident and cute, and tag me at Samantha Caudle 9 or at Samantha Caudle on TikTok. I would love to see what you learned today on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. Send me a DM, send me an email, whatever you need to do. I would love to see what you learned today, because I just want to support and encourage you and just give you some pointers and some tips. So take advantage of that opportunity when you are done with class today. Today, I'm teaching you my combo to Shake Sumn by DaBaby. I'll leave it linked down here below. You can see the official class choreo. There's Tasha there. She did a solo. You can see me breaking my back as well. And that goes without saying. This combo is very full out, so be prepared to sweat and get a little workout in as you train today. Without further ado, let's hop into Shake Sumn. All right, guys, so I always mirror this video. So my right is your right, my left is your left, which means I switch in editing what the viewfinder sees. So when I say right, I really mean your right, and I try and make that easy for you so you can learn it straight on without being confused. Okay, so let's hop in. We start on one. We jump out really nice, big and wide in a nice deep second, and arms come all the way up, and you're gonna hit that twice. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. She goes 1, 2. Yeah, opening the chest, really throwing the booty back. There's no way you could be too full out. So if you get all the way down to the floor, good for you. You're achieving greatness. Or you can keep it cute and up, but the goal would be bigger and more full out for this. So we have 5, 6, 7. We go arms back, back, yeah? From here, I'm gonna go to the right. I'm gonna turn my body, turn my head to the left, come back center, and then go up, down. Yeah, you can grab the head, you can go here. Yeah, so pulling it here, and then going up, down. Yes. So that's 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Makes sense? Here we go. We go again slow. 5, 6, 7. We go 1, 2, to the left, up, down. One more time, lock that in. Really contract the ribs every time. So open the rib cage, close the rib cage to confront, and then open to contract it in. You should get a little core workout. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you can already feel how full out that is once we start to speed it up. From there, 4, you're gonna lift the right knee, jump to that left foot, to go down and throw the head down. And then boom. Yeah, so up, down, up, down. Yes, very thrashy, very Travis Scott concert, just throw it around, let it be ugly and big and giant and messy, yeah? So we go T-ta to go left and a left, ha, yes. And when I say left, jump on that left foot, really jump on it, yeah? So let's take that from the top, connecting that market through. 5, 6, 7, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, jump, 5, hair down, yes, good. We feel that. If you need that one more time, just remember you can always rewind back. I'm gonna keep it rocking, keep it going. From here, your head comes up on 1 to jump out, 2 to go, 3 to turn around. So my right goes over my left. Again, my head comes up on 1, I jump up, 2, and then turn around, 3, 4. Yeah. So again, we went 5, 6, 7, 8, hair up, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 and is gonna be a twist of the hips to the left and then to the right. Yeah, so my hands are opposite to the right side, my hips are to the left, and then I switch, boom. Yeah, like that. So we came up, we did thrashy, thrashy, yep, ha, to come up 1, hit 2, 3, 4, and. Yeah, let's go a little slower. So we went 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and. Yeah, on that 4, you can step those feet together, shoom, to just get there. Let's connect that from the top, making sure we're good in the hood. 5, 6, 7, we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, knee, 6, 7, hair comes up on 1, 2, 3, hip switch, good. From here, you're gonna step out on your right foot, roll the arms around, and then roll the arms around. So I'm going outwards with this right hand. I'm stepping in and in. Yeah, my hips are going to the right. It's this groove step. This hand is staying straight and just staying where it is. Ha. Yep, so that's our 5, 6, 7, 8. So we came up on 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and a 7, ha. Good, how are we doing? Are we okay? Tasha, you okay? You're doing great. She had her Alani Nu coffee. She's ready to go today. Let's go slow, medium, and fast, connecting that all together. We're already almost halfway through of what I'm gonna teach you today, so let's get it. We go 5, 6, 7, let's go. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, hair up on 1, hit 2, 3, hip swing, step it out, and a step it out. Good. Let's try it a little faster. Okay, here we go, here we go, here we go. Shake out, shake it out, shake it out, shake it out. Take a breath. You'll be okay. Here we go. Good luck. 5, 6, 7, let's go. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3. Hip switch right and a left. Woo! Good job, y'all. Now, the music is a little faster, but I want to teach you a little more choreo, and then we'll go back and we'll speed all that up. So from here, we went 5, we went 7. We're jumping out and going toe heel, so my right heel is on the floor, my left toe is on the floor, and I'm facing the left side. My arms are right. Yeah, so Tasha will show you. We came in, boom, and a boom. She goes boom. Yeah. Boom to unwind it, boom. So from here, you're jumping up, boom, ta, T, T, and then you're gonna go kick, kick with the left foot. Kick, kick. Yeah, with a flexed foot, leaning back away from it. So we just came from 5 and a 7, we go. 1 and 2 and bass, bass, ta, ta. Yes, that bass, bass, I don't want to rip my pants again, but I'm shifting my hip to the right side and then setting it down to shift the hip up to the left. And it's kind of like you're flicking a booty cheek. Ha, gee, gee. Yeah, the more jiggle, the better. Just let it jiggle. Let it jiggle. Yeah, let it go. So B, B, to kick, kick. She's quick. Here we go. So let's go from 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, we go. 5, 6, 7, right foot out. 1 and jump and bass, bass, ta, ta. So after we kick that left foot forward, now we're gonna fall on that left foot and go, boom, slide it back. And then you say, come shake some, and step that left foot in. Yeah, like come here, come shake some, girl. We got kick, 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 5, 6, 7, come shake some. So let's do that again. Timing is kick, kick, 5, slide 6, close, ha, ha. Yes, good. Connecting that. Let's take it from the top. Let's walk all that through nice and slow. You don't have to go full out, but I do ask that you always do these arms full out so you get used to doing this and not cutting it short here, yeah? So here we go. 5, 6, 7, clean mark. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, go 5, go 7, hair up on 1, 2, 3, hip switch, step it out, new part, right foot, 1 and 2 and hips, hips, kick, kick, down, slide. Come shake some. Yes, good. How are we doing? Are we okay? Woo! Remember, I'm teaching this very fast, so if you haven't taken my class before, then know that I teach this much slower. I have a whole hour and a half with the class, whereas here I have about 15 to 20 minutes to teach you. So if you're feeling like it's too fast, that's normal. It's okay. Just rewind, come back, and just hang out with me longer on the same video. Okay, from here, you're gonna step on your right foot. You're gonna go right, left. Yeah, your hands come to your head or your hair or whatever you feel. If you want to hit this is cool, this is cool, this is cool, whatever you feel, that's fine. But you're going ta, ta, right foot, right, left. Stepping on the right foot, you're going to go forward, cross, lean back, and then forward to go down. Yep, one more time. So we're here. Come shake some. Right, left, forward, back, ha. And then turning over the left shoulder, you're gonna push this arm around like that. You could do a single, you could do a double, you could do a triple, but you have 3 counts to do so. So you're going base, base, base. You take off on 5, you've got 6, you've got 7, you're gonna drop down on 8. 8 to jump out, 1 and 2. Yeah, let's connect this from come shake some, right, left, ta, 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 5, 6, hold the 7, 8, 1, you're gonna arch your neck and back, 1 and 2, and then set the hips down. Yeah, so one more time, you're down, arch the neck, look up to the ceiling, look forward and sit in that back, and then set the hips down. It might take you a couple tries to get that, but it should be very staccato to go picture, picture, picture. There's a big bass, bass, bass in the music that I want to hit. So we hit bass, 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 5, 6, 7, 8, picture, picture, picture. You're going to go chin up to go step right and a left. Can I finish it? Let's finish it. Let's do it. From here, you're going to jump up. Tasha's going to show you so I don't ruin my pants. Jump, and up. Yes. And then we finish with a 5 and a 7. And that's it. You learned the whole thing, you guys. I know that the ending is messy, so let's get it together. Let's pull it together. I got you. We came down on 8. We're jumping back on 1 and 2. Chin up, step right foot, step left foot. We jump up, touch the hands to the knees. Hands to the floor, and then pair to go boom and a boom. Good, let's do that again from T, T, ta. Here we go. We go 5, 6, 7, 8, T, T, ta. Chin up, right foot, jump it up. We go jump, floor, hair, and a right foot. Yes, good job, y'all. All right, here's the fun part. You guys learned it all. If you need that again, just go back. We're gonna go slow, medium, and then we're gonna go full tempo, and then we're gonna do it with the music, okay? Are you guys ready? Tasha, you ready, girl? Yee! Come back up for me just a little bit. All right, here we go. Nice and slow, very clean. 5, 6, 7, she goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, we go 5. We go 7, we go hair, ha, T, hip, swing right foot and a left foot. Footwork, 1 and 2 and hips, hips, kick, kick, forward, back. Come shake some right, left, open, close, and you've got time, 5, 6, 7, hair down, T, T, ta, right foot, left foot, jump it up, jump, floor, up, and then have fun, rock with it, good job, y'all. Let's go medium tempo, 5, 6, 7, let's go, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, we go 5, 7, 1, hit 2, 3, hip switch, right foot, and a left foot. Let's go. 1 and a 2 and a bass, bass, kick, kick, ha. Come, shake some, right, left, cross, ha. 5, 6, 7, drop, 8, we go. Boom, boom, boom. Air it out, boom, she a baddie. Let's go, jump it up. Ta, ta, and Tasha's a baddie. Let's go! All right, take a breath. Get a sip of water, tequila, whatever you need if you're 21 over it. But let's go full out with tempo. Say a prayer, take a breath. You got it. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. We go 5, 6, 7. Let's go. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 1, 2, 3. Hip switch, right foot and a left foot. Let's go. Footwork. 2, bass, bass, kick, kick, ha. Come, shake some. Come on, let's go. Top, top, turn it. 6, 7, drop, 8. We go ba, 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 ba. Let's go. Jump it up. We go boom, boom, boom. Finish strong. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! All right, y'all. Let's get it. Let's get it. Full out. That's what I want. I want freestyle at the end too. Yes. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Let's go to work. Yeah. Up, up. Let's go. Come shake some. 1 and 2 and bass, bass, hit, hit. Come shake some. Right, left. Let's go to work. Hey, let's go. A little freestyle, a little shake. Ah! Are you freestyling? You better be freestyling.
I don't know how to dance, but you ain't gonna get this with the hands on your knees.
Let's give it up for Tasha today, my lovely assistant. I will leave her links down below so you can follow her, find her, watch her dance, and shake her booty. As always, thank you guys so much for taking class with me. I really appreciate it. Whether you got through 1/8 count or the whole dance, I'm proud of you today. I feel really happy for you. And look, it's free training. We all have to start somewhere, so make sure that you're gentle with yourself and your dance journey. You're not comparing yourself to others. You're only focusing on what's the next step for you. If you guys are in LA, I teach every Sunday and Wednesday here at Playground LA. Come take class with me. I have an all levels class and a beginner intermediate class. I taught this combo for both of those classes. So if you need some training, some hands-on training, I'm here in LA. If not, thank you guys again for training with me. And as always, I would love to see what you learned today in class, whether that's Instagram, TikTok, DM, send it to me. I would love to see what you learned today. Thank you guys so much. Thank you to Tasha again. And I will see you guys in the next free tutorial. Bye.